YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a 43-inch UHD TV. Wow, I'll spin it around, or I can just jump on the ground so you can see it. A UHD TV, Samsung 43-inch. I'm doing a replacement in my bedroom. I've had this other Samsung HD TV. It's actually a 720p HD TV. I've had it now for probably over 13, 14 years, and it's still going strong. So I'm gonna still keep it. I'm just gonna move it to another room for gaming. But this television is gonna be a replacement. It's certified 4K, so it's gonna be great for gaming, but it's also good for streaming Netflix and for streaming Apple TV content that's in 4K. So what I wanted to say is that Best Buy is having a sale right now, and I don't know how long the sale is gonna go on for. So hopefully when you see this video, probably is gonna be a winter sale, so the TVs will only get cheaper, but 350 bucks, I had to cop one. Ultra high definition television, 4K. I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna show you what's in the box, and then we're gonna see what you get when you buy a TV for $350. So you see it's also Wi-Fi enabled, so I'm gonna hook it up to my network, and then everything's just gonna work. So let's get at it. Mika's just opening this up, and then we're gonna just pull it out. But it seems pretty straightforward. It's easy TV. I don't know what kind of stand it has, but oh, it looks like just two little pedestal feet. It comes with two little pedestal feet. You leave the box on the ground, and you pull this up. You should be able to pull this out without pulling the box up. Yep. And then we'll pull this out. Now, Mika, pull the panel out. You can pull it out with two hands, yeah. If you try to put it up like that, it's not gonna work. You gotta like slide it up slowly, both sides. Oh, I know what's stopping it. This thing.
It's on both sides.
Yeah. Here, you record me and I'll take it. I'll take it out, Mika.
Oh, I got that stuff.
I know. Hold this. Hold on. I'm gonna get it out. You record.
Do we need the scissors?
I don't need the scissors. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to do like this. All right, so what we got in the unboxing is got a pretty small panel, pretty lightweight, 43-inch UHD TV, and a small bezel. So I'm gonna hook it up, but again, this is just a quick unboxing. In here, you got the remote, you got the TV panel, you got the power cord, and it's the basic Samsung Smart TV setup. So watch my channel, subscribe, let me know what you think about this TV. This is the Samsung Series 6 NU 6900. Best Buy has this. Best Buy has it on sale now for $300 and something. Costco also sells this TV. The series number is the same, but the model number is slightly different. But I would say subscribe, like below, check this TV out. $350, you can't beat it. The one thing that I would say is a detractor, if you were going to put this in the main room, is it only has two HDMI cables or HDMI ports on the side. Other than that, that's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe, like below. I'm out.
Subscribe, but like below.